Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss fixing the HE error code. But first, what does this error code mean? The HE error indicates your dryer is overheating. The following are some of the common causes of this error: a clogged lint filter or a damaged heating element. Now, let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the error. Restart your dryer. Before attempting any solution, restarting your dryer can solve temporary issues causing this error. Here are the steps. Unplug your Samsung dryer from the power source, wait 3 minutes, then restart your Samsung dryer to see if the error is gone. Check the dryer's lint filter. A filled-up lint filter can interfere with airflow, causing buildup in heat in the dryer. Here are the steps to check it. Access and remove the lint filter from your Samsung dryer. Thoroughly remove the lint present in the filter and use the vacuum to remove any debris that might be stuck in it. Return the filter to check if the problem is solved. Check the heating element. A partially shorted out heating element can continue producing heat even when the required temperatures have been reached. Check the heating element for any shortness. You can call an expert to help you check the heating element if you're uncomfortable doing it yourself. If the element is shorted, replace it. Contact qualified personnel if the problem persists even after trying the mentioned methods. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.